Hello, this is Daniel Fowler. This is week 7. This is my status on IntelliHealth Solutions Incorporated. So again, a healthcare product company that will allow for in-home or in-office patient testing solution and allow doctors to remotely diagnose and read test results either from people's homes or from nursing or assisted living areas. This week I was able to talk to 2 people in the medical field and 5 potential customers, totaling 7 people for the week. My focus was on the customer segmentation, and as I talked through with my customers and my gurus, it did certainly come out that I did have 3 different areas. You could argue that maybe the academia and the customer product goods could be separated out into a separate customer. I kind of lumped them together because of the information that they would be actually sharing and using. And so what came out of my discussion with my gurus and my customers was that they could see the value in sharing information, obviously with their healthcare provider of choice, and so they can get the solution that they need, whether it be medicine or nutritional information or dietary changes, that sort of thing. But they also, it sort of surprised me, was that they were okay with sharing their information with their consumer product goods, companies, and academia. Now, academia, I figured that they'd be okay with putting their information out there and saying, hey, how many people get sinus infections in the month of January in the Northwest? I figure most people would say, yeah, that's okay, share that, and they did. What surprised me, and what I was actually hopeful of, which I understand hope's not a strategy, but they said that they'd be willing to share their information with consumer product goods companies so that they can make products better, they could receive coupons, that sort of thing. And so that, while I was hoping that was the answer, it did certainly surprise me that they were mainly willing to, most of them were mainly willing to do that. From a value proposition perspective, it did increase my confidence in the value of this product. They all said that they had been thinking about this over the last week and was really looking forward to my weekly phone calls and weekly face-to-face meetings with them. And then they also see that the convenience associated with this was really important to them. And one of the main things they were looking for is the cost. Like, how much is this going to cost me? How much is this product going to cost my insurance company, and that sort of thing. And so it was hard to direct them to the actual questions because they were wanting to dive very deep into the product. Well, tell me every function that it does. Tell me the cost that it's going to come out for. How much do these supplies cost, and that sort of thing. So really great questions. Really made me feel confident that we've got a good solution here and that we just need to go forward with it. Hopefully you see that too as we go forward, and more questions and more presentations to come. So if you got any questions, please let me know. This is Daniel. Thank you.